Hello, everyone. Welcome to a blockbuster Sunday. Well, today we have got RCB versus CSK as the afternoon encounter, and in the evening there's Hyderabad versus Delhi. Well, before I go to Orgo and before he starts dancing about RCB doing well after what 13 years, we should quickly check out the app in which you can also play fantasy cricket and not only play, you can win big. Quickly check out the app.
It's match day. Play fantasy cricket now. Get up to 2.5 crores daily and lots more. 20 times more. Win big on FanFight. This game involves an element of financial risk and may be addictive. Please play responsibly and at your own risk.
So, Argo, the platform is all yours. Please go ahead because I will allow, I will be like my team's captain, I will just allow you that space. You go ahead, brag about your team, and then I will come with mine. Come.
4 games unbeaten, only unbeaten side in the tournament.
Correct.
Batting doing well, bowling doing well. Even Virat, who hadn't yet scored that big runs, has scored 70 odd. Padikal, what more can I say? Now you will come up with that Yuzi Chahal topic again, I know. But it doesn't matter when 10 people are playing so well. We have the purple cap holder also in our team. So what more should I say? Maxwell, last day people were joking that Maxwell will, if Maxwell scores 50 odd, then he will again reclaim the orange cap. Bechara, he didn't get to bat only. Now I'm thinking, I'm thinking, what will CSK do in front of us? I know you all are also going through a good
Correct.
run
I
of
was about
form.
to say, much like you are saying your batting order is performing, bowling order is performing, I would like to say ours is performing too. Also, apart from that, हमने किसी चीज की झलक दिखाई थी आपको आपको याद है
कौन सा झलक झलक दिखला जाए
नहीं हमने हमारी कप्तान की बैटिंग की झलकें दिखाई थी कोलकाता के अगेंस्ट अभी तो पूरा इनिंग्स खेलना बाकी है think of it. If Dhoni, the way Dhoni has captained, okay, let's put it this way: the way Dhoni has captained, it has been vintage Dhoni written all over the captaincy. You agree?
True, true. I totally
And
agree with
that
that.
will, give a positive impact on the bowling, on his batting. Sorry, on his batting, and hence he will bat well. He scored 17. Yes.
17. Oh, great, great. 17, two top ages, including two top ages. Two top age, which went to four. One very good vintage Dhoni 6. And now you're bragging about 17 runs. Oh, God, the man who used to score 50, 70, who
That's
had
what
made
the man can
RCB.
start scoring the runs. No, I mean, come on. For you guys, when Virat Kohli doesn't score, okay, you will say, "Arey, baki, everybody is scoring." Also, look at Rituraj, who he's scoring. Look at Faf, he's scoring. If Dhoni scores 17 and one of that shot is vintage Dhoni, which means he is finally getting back to groove. And what is more important, he got himself at number 4. You know why? Because it was the 16.4 overs. So he is ready for that finisher role. And
I
he
think,
needed
I
match
think,
practice. And it's
I
getting
think Chahal
well.
I think Chahal will get back to form by dismissing Dhoni in this game.
Chahal will get back to form. Why do I feel I've heard that 560 times? Like every match I keep hearing, this match Chahal will get back to form, but he doesn't.
See, because slowly and steadily all our weaknesses have been removed. Chahal
So
is the
you have kept
only
one
weak
weakness.
link. Yeah, and we are waiting for CSK to
So,
erase that weakness.
okay. So
Write
I
it
want
down.
to know what is nine. I always used to wonder that whenever they show this soap ads, they always show 99.9% germs are killed. Right? What is that
Hmm.
zero? Now I realize that is the same connection with RCB. They are 99.999% there, but they are keeping Chahal, right?
But talking about percentage, how many percentage of matches have Delhi Capitals and SRH won? The second game. What's
Delhi Capital, I have no idea how many they have won.
I think you are supporting Delhi and you don't know that they have won three.
Oh, this IPL. Acha, I thought it's head to head you were
Oh,
asking. This IPL, I know they have won three and SRH has won just one. Yeah, yeah. Now don't
but
be like
as
that. It's an emphatic win, blah, blah, blah. I know you just have one win and that's
I
it with that.
I am not talking about the win. Our
Okay.
professor has come back. Professor
Professor.
Kale.
Oh,
Yeah. Professor. See, he bats as if like he's doing some research, PhD or something.
oh,
Like
okay,
he's
okay.
teaching his. He gives lessons. He gives lessons to the opposition. It's like that. See, this same SRH team who was struggling to chase in the last match, how easily, how calmly they chased it down. And I don't want to talk about the Warner and Bairstow. Every match it is getting boring because they are minimum they are scoring 50 plus partnership in the
But
opening as
tomorrow they
an
won't
opening
be
set.
able to score so much, right? Because
Why?
today they won't be able to score so much because there is a, we have our secret weapon.
Who? Who is secret now? Everybody's played and now who is secret?
Yeah, but still, Amit Mishra, come on. Old, wily customer. See the way he ripped apart the Mumbai Indians batting.
We are not like Mumbai Indians. See,
That's for
in
sure. They
this
have
team,
5 cups,
in this team, in this team, in this, they have 5 cups, and since 2016, we have qualified for each and every playoff. So it's almost same.
Do you remember this is I don't remember the exact thing, but it said that nobody remember in sports, nobody remembers who came second. Just saying. So nobody remembers how many times you have come in the playoffs.
And nobody remembers that you all have not won a single trophy. Is
That's
it
true.
is it
Nobody
is it
does.
also true? Nobody
Yeah,
does,
it's
na?
true.
Okay. But
Nobody
everybody
remembers that.
remembers that we
But
have
they
won
remember
one.
that we defeated the defending champions in the last match.
So do you want a trophy for that now? Defeating
I
Mumbai
don't
trophy.
mind. I don't mind.
And by the way, you were talking about Amit Mishra. Na? All
Yeah.
these Mumbai batsmen tried to go after him. Our policy you have seen. We are in totally in a different our equation
Yeah.
is totally different.
Correct,
We
correct.
will
We
only
can.
score 150 or we will only chase 150, 160. We will not chase 180. We are not the team who are going to do a 200 plus chase or give away
Wow.
200 runs. See our bowling unit. Even with Natarajan out, Khalil Ahmed has come in. And what a performance by Khalil Ahmed. Abhishek Sharma. He is the youngest man on the team. He is starting the bowling and taking wickets also. So what more do you need? Rashid, oh my God, how will you tackle the Mr. Khan?
We have Shikhar Dhawan, no. He has been in fantastic form. And you remember, right? शिखर धवन वो घायल शेर है जब भी उसके कान में जाके बोल दो अरे इंडियन टीम से तेरे को निकाल रहे हैं. He is right there performing every single match.
I
He is.
think this is a great tip. I think Warner should just go and tell him, your buddy, ex-buddy, they used to play together.
Yes.
That I think you will easily make the Indian team for T20 World Cup, and then you will get out for zero. I
So that
I
that's your
feel that.
plan. So that's the secret
Yeah.
plan that Hyderabad probably can use against a Shikhar Dhawan. Well, Orgo, we can continue this as we do it every day in WhatsApp because they also have other shows to catch up with, like the fantasy tips. You and I also have to take fantasy tips, right? We have to win.
Hmm.
Uh, Apart from that, there's the pre-show, there's update show, so there's lot of shows coming your way. So stay tuned, subscribe to Sports Today, download the FanFight app from the link in the description below, and the most important thing is stay home, stay safe, and please, please, please take care of your family, of each other, and please be kind enough to help each other. Thank you so much for watching.